Morning YouTube, it's Saturday, February 24th. It's about 47 degrees out. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's a gorgeous day. Blue skies. I've been up for a few hours, just enjoying the morning. Went out for a walk. Decided I have possibly a couple jobs for a few different people doing plowing this year, so decided to drag the 59 out with gear reduction wheels and get it tuned up and ready for cultivating and gardening season. So that's my job today, and one of them. And so I want to see if I can just get this bad boy running. It has been run in at least since last spring. So let me set up the camera and get this over where I can close to my tools where I can work on it. Yeah, I could probably try starting it over there, but it drives me nuts going back and forth with tools. So I'm gonna, before I start pulling my shoulder out, trying to get it started, I'm just gonna do a quick once through for spark plug, make sure that I got spark, make sure the gas, oil and all set up. So just want to set myself up for success rather than yanking my shoulder out of its socket. So let me start tweaking some things and getting it cleaned up, and we'll turn the camera back on. All right, all the fluids are all set. Everything looked good. It's funny, there's a lot of looks like mold on it. Just just must be damp. Obviously it's damp, but it's kind of funny. Well, hopefully it burns off. But the gas smells okay. We'll have to see. Hopefully it's good enough. Spark plug looked clean, but I brushed it anyways. Everything else looks like it's ready. I put a little oil in the governor, and let's try to start this puppy up. Guess I need a new. Nice. Well, we got a problem. Got a leaky carburetor. So yeah, that's what happens when it sits. So you guys probably saw it before I did. So yeah, let me before I have a fire hazard, let me clean that out, and looks like we're gonna have to wait for a little bit. So it's leaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off. Hopefully I can save the gasket. I'll be pissed if I have to get a new gasket, but I think I've put a new gasket on this, so it should be okay. What I'm going to do is I think I have some, I have a new connector here for the governor. Yeah, I know I'm not gonna mess with the length of the governor. I'm just gonna mess with this throttle cable and use the unit that walks it back and forth here. So hopefully I don't mess this carburetor up. So let me get some needle nose pliers and small wrenches, and let me take this bad boy off. All right, got the carb off. This is a decent. I like these Zenith carburetors. I usually have all my units have the cast iron ones. Most of them work well. This tractor I got a few years ago. The guy took really good care of it, so everything was in decent shape. So I'm just gonna take this apart, clean it up, and then put it back on. So let me take it apart and take a look at it.